dig 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 dig.
Wala stick din ha, uy, kuan din ha, na bird.
Something like animals.
Yeah, animals are always not gonna paak anything tao. What?
But snake will eat human.
But Ian is a baby.
Snake is dangerous.
But Ian is gonna be eaten by snakes.
Cannot be eaten by snake. Why?
There's no snakes. I see underground there, no more snakes. The snake is always hadlok of bunal.
Snake will be fight human.
But eleksyono ng snake.
You cannot fight snake because snake is fighter and also it's so dangerous.
And I'll con the back of the snake. Then I'm gonna die to Lala.
No,
Then I'm gonna show it to Lala. There's no snakes here.
Are you sure?
No.
But nga ano mo to imong dadabi nga kita para may siya og snake sa babaw.
Huh?
What happened to him?
My dad is not here yet.
Before, when you are small pa, I think you are 3 years old last year.
No, I'm not 3 years old. I'm big now.
You're 3 years old already.
Ian is 3 years old.
Ian is only 1 year old.
No, he is still 3 years old.
No,
He's so big.
he's so big.
He's not big.
Oh, yeah,
He's still a baby.
is to baby. Oh. But you,
But I'm a grown kid.
who are you?
I'm a grown kid.
You're a grown kid.
Ian can't stand out. Ian can't stand vlog.
Ayaw.
And the vlog.
Stop. Okay, let's
He will
have a
end
vlog.
the vlog. And
Let's create your page so that you
let's
will
go to
be
the
kuan na sikat.
Here is boring. I want to.
You want to?
I want to do what with Ian.
Do you want to
Do what with Ian.
with Ian? Ian can't play because he is not on naman big. Wait for him na makalakaw na si Ian. Kaya you will be play together na. Okay,
There's no
mag-play
snake
mo.
and stuff here.
What do you want to play, Ian? What do you want to play?
He said she wants to play
What?
Legos.
What?
Legos.
What's that?
It's the small things.
Katong morag box. Really? Nice. Nice.
I'm bitten
Ian,
by
you want Badaw to play. So what's that? What again?
I'm bitten by a snake. Just pretend.
Snake wants to eat a small like you, like Ian. Especially when
Let's
in
get
front.
out here.
Huh?
Let's get out of here because
No.
there's a lot of snakes.
No, Ian will fight the snake
But
man.
he's still baby.
But he knows how to fight the snake. And also will fight the snake pod guy.
I'm gonna help Ian.
Yes. You're gonna help me. If you don't help me, I will die.
I'm gonna help Ian.
Yes.
No, I will double me because I'm your best friend.
Yes, we're best friends too.
Let's dad my stick of my drum because we will bunal it to the snake.
Go. Let's have can you play? Oi.
I'll transform to a ninja. To a ninja.
Pag sayo sabi kanang pagtabalay siya kay masayo sa mi. Masaya mini yan. Tugdurug dug 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 durug dug dug. Tugdurug dug 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 durug dug dug.
To get up there.
Sige na.
How do I get up there?
Hay nako.
Yan, doesn't have nila.
Mm. Go play. I want you to play.
I'm bored.
Isa na, ti. Laka. Hoy, sige ra manig ay oy. Ay nako. Hala oy, doon ang kunin mo bata ako.
Bilisan mo na rin?
Ha?
Bilisan mo.
Ha?
Ay, pagtabalag sa
Yan na rin pag-dyan. Look. Pa rin niya ito. Asat tililin na eh.
wala gi chati ba? Mo di ko chat ni tilili ni sige isla mo chat.
Ito na ba?
Chati ra ba te pa-remind daw. Te nagpa-remind daw sila typing ang abang.
Ako lagi mo nga isa. Mukoy ko on.
Tanawan eh.
Atong tao kunin mo. Ha? Yan. Yan.
Naman ka. Ha? Na.
Oy!
Nana ko no.
Wa na na.
Nasuutan nila.
Asa nana? Where's nana? Hoy, no.
Ano ba? Kana ka. Sipon na ti Islaw. Ati kay.
Lagi.
Asa ka ma?
Sumukauwi na ako dili.
Gusto lagi ko ito lalami.
Eh?
Do. Ato ka? Kisa man nagka-play nimo dito.
Agta.
Ha?
Agta.
Agta.
Agta ako. Nakumuta na buhok.
Agta. Isuot sa bagay ngani-ngani na ho. Isuot sa
Suot di mo.
Ang ganahan ka matoy lalangig sa mo kay kaduwa.
naman. Sa ilan-ilan yung mga.
Okay, basa na kayo na. Ano